Okay guys, we're having what I call a diner dinner tonight. I've already cooked the bacon. Got a pan full of fried onions. And tonight's entree is going to be beef liver. I've got a little bit of plain flour, no mixins, no seasonings or anything, to coat the liver with when I fry it. And instead of fresh potatoes, we're going to try a package of powdered potatoes. 2 cups of water, stir it, put the lid back on, and wait 5 minutes. So mashed potatoes with fried liver, bacon, and onions. Let's see how it all turns out. Okay, the potatoes actually look like they're going to be pretty good. They just got to sit there for 5 minutes. Onions are ready, bacon's ready, and I just threw the liver right in the container with the flour, and now I'm going to put the lid on there and shake it up, and by then the pan will be hot enough. These are a little thicker than I normally would buy, so they're going to take a little bit longer. I like them well done anyway. Potatoes are probably ready. Okay guys, I think it turned out pretty good. It's well done, but that's the way I like it. And we're pretty well all cleaned up as well. Have a great day.